Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, there's that screw I've been looking for. Okay, this is an engine I'm building for Steve, my friend Huck, and I just at this moment wired it up and tested it, and it works. He's got a digital controller for reverse. He's got 2 rectifiers for power distribution. I got a buck boost board to feed the flyer smoke, and the motor has got the new magnetic fields for. Oh my God! I don't know how fast it'll go. If you notice, it's cooling off the heater inside, so it's going to need more control on that. I have a board I can put in there. At low speed, the piston coming in is just enough to make smoke. Okay, that's fine. It's warm. You can see the puff and chuff. As you go faster, it starts to thin out, and I think that's because the piston is blowing more air and it's cooling the coil down based on the temperature it's setting. I can crank that up. It's not a problem. It's a tune-up, okay? Tune-up. But listen to that motor. Listen to that chuff sound. Boy, is that classic, okay? And this has all-wheel pickup. Every wheel will pick up power and bring it to the tender. It has digital reverse, and so, you know, if I play my cards right, we'll get reverse. If I don't, we won't. Well, we didn't. All right, I'll work on that. It may be that board. I'll test it and make sure he gets a good one, that's for sure. But this is the base next generation S. This is the base assembly. You can keep your old smoke, okay, in your standard chassis. All we're going to do is replace the fields, replace those wired mountain fields with the magnets, okay? Then we're going to get a tender chassis, new, with 3D printed trucks, which every wheel brings power up. Then there's a digital reverse and a pair of rectifiers that sort out the AC to DC and hand it off. We're sending some of that pulse down to the motor controller, and the other pulse is going over to the heater. And there it is. This is I would call the minimalist approach to next generation S. If this is what you have, this is what you can get. You get reliability, all-wheel pickup, digital reverse, and a DC motor, and strong smoke at all speeds. It's pretty awesome. I think it's pretty awesome. And this is not going to be arms and legs. It's not going to be. I'm trying hard to keep it down on the cost side. It's like my cost, okay? Okay, that's it. I'm already getting called up, but boy, did this come out great. This was a thrash. Just the 11th hour, I was trying so hard to get this thing done. So you can see the underside is wired. Every wheel has a pickup. Every wheel is sending power up. Some of the parts are a little warm, and we'll deal with that as we go further along. This will fit the standard tender body, and this will fit the standard Atlantic body. So this would be the like a 300, 301, 302, whatever, if you have smoke. If you don't have smoke, then we're going to have to come up with something like that. If you don't have this gear, like this gear here, so that would be another one. This is a version. There is smart smoke. That is the part that controls the smoke at low and high speed. Okay, that's it. Gotta run. She's after me. What exciting day for me. Just so exciting. I'm so glad I got this thing together. I'm hoping Steve sees it and is getting excited. I'm trying to get this done for him, get it to him in November so he can have it for Christmas. Okay, gotta run. Later.